The Education Support Program was initiated in 2012 under the supervision of the Benazir Income Support Program. The purpose was to enroll children in primary education institutions across the country. From the poorest of the poor who cannot afford primary education for their children, parents who were registered with the Benazir Income Support Program were given financial support under the Education Support Program. According to data available, 2.4 million children are currently pursuing their education in both government and private primary education institutions all over Pakistan, and the number keeps growing daily. Each child is given an allowance of 250 rupees for books and stationery, and up till now, a mere 8.1 billion rupees has been spent under the Education Support Program. The program includes Azad Kashmir, Gilgit-Baltistan along with the 4 provinces and is rapidly expanding to include more far-flung and underdeveloped areas, providing a much-needed service to the country.